Bachchan has now decided to respond to the ED office, and she's reached. We're just getting this update from our colleagues in Mumbai that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has landed up at the Enforcement Directorate office and is joining the probe. Munish Pandey with all the latest on that. Munish, this is big because just a short while ago we thought she'll want to seek further adjournment, but she's decided to join the probe. What are you picking up? Is she there in person at the ED office?
Yeah, Pooja, we have been given to understand is that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate, and she was earlier issued 2 summons, but this time she decided to respect the summons, and now a team of Enforcement Directorate will question her. She has come with certain financial documents, and in a while from now, her statement will be recorded under FEMA Act. So this is going to be certainly important as far as the entire investigation is concerned. Remember, she is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate as well as the Income Tax Department in the Panama paper leaks case. So the ED is already ready with the questionnaire.
Now, Munish, when Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has landed up at the ED office, there will be a questionnaire, a questioning procedure. Will she be asked for evidence? Will she be asked to perhaps make a confession of sort if she was in any way involved in using that offshore tax regime in the British Virgin Islands? So what do you think exactly will be the sort of questioning today at the ED office?
Well, ED is in possession of certain financial documents because remember, this company was incorporated in British Virgin Island in 2005. Then she was the director. Later, 3 months after, she became shareholder of the company. In 2008, the company became inactive. And the total authorized capital at that point of time was $50,000. There were certain transactions, because of which Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and her family members, including her brother, they came under scanner of Enforcement Directorate. So they have certain financial documents, but also they want to get a clarity from Aishwarya Rai Bachchan that what she has to say on these allegations. Earlier also there were summons issued to her. Her husband Abhishek Bachchan has also been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate earlier. So as of now, ED claims that this is a procedural part of the investigation where her statement is very important, and they will go through the financial documents. After today's grilling, they will decide whether she has to be questioned again or not. But,
and Munish, I want to just confirm here that this ED office is in the national capital, Delhi, not where the actor resides usually, which is Mumbai.
Yes, Pooja, absolutely. She has appeared before the ED office in Delhi. And why in Delhi? Because the case is being registered by the unit of Enforcement Directorate, which sits in Delhi, in national capital. So under FEMA, if there is any investigation, it has to be done from the headquarters unit of Enforcement Directorate, and that is why she was asked to appear before the ED in national capital. Just a while back, she has appeared. Now her statement will be recorded by the ED. We have been given to understand that also apart from ED officials, there will be officials from the other investigative agencies also, like Income Tax and other departments, because the entire case is being investigated by an SIT formed by the government to look into the allegations made in Panama paper leaks case.
Any confirmation yet, Munish, if it is only Aishwarya Rai Bachchan or as her husband, actor Abhishek Bachchan, also joined her at the ED office in Delhi?
Yeah, well, as of now, we have a confirmation that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has appeared and she has joined the investigation. As far as Abhishek Bachchan is concerned, he was summoned recently by the Enforcement Directorate. Whether he was questioned or not, that is still not clear. We'll get a clarity in a while from now. But, the entire Bachchan family, which includes 3 members at least,
yes.
Abhishek Bachchan, Amitabh Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. These 3 people are under scanner because of the Panama paper leaks case. And as far as Aishwarya Rai Bachchan is concerned, it is regarding one company which was incorporated in British Virgin Island in 2005. Okay. The company was active for 3 years, but due to certain financial transactions, she is under investigation of the Enforcement Directorate
So,
and other.
Munish, today we can say this was a sudden surprise response by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who had otherwise been seeking adjournment. Do you think perhaps Aishwarya Rai would have also realized that at this point she needs to respond to the summons of the ED? Because if any more backtracking could prove to be further trouble for her legally also and via the probe that is on by the ED.
Yeah, well, Pooja, a while back we were speaking about this, and
Yes.
3 summons. The agency is authorized to issue 3 summons, and if the person is not responding to it, then the ED has power to go before the court and get a warrant issued. So twice she sought adjournment. It means that twice she was summoned earlier, but this was the 3rd and final summon, after which ED was in power to approach the court, and this is why perhaps Aishwarya Rai Bachchan decided to appear before the agency. We have been given to understand is that she has come with certain financial documents regarding her bank account details, certain financial details, and with those details she will be questioned by the ED in connection with this case.
And while, of course, you will be tracking all the latest from the Enforcement Directorate, Munish, about what was asked and what was answered, what precisely do you think at this point is the case against Aishwarya Rai? What precisely would be the sort of financial trail that ED wants to investigate against her, that she had been summoned in person? Can you elaborate on exact allegations against her?
Yeah, well, Pooja, remember, this is an old case. It's a not new case. The companies were incorporated in early 2000. Now, as far as the ED and Income Tax Department is concerned, remember, there are 2 violations they are looking into. First of all, if there was any financial transaction between these companies and any person from India, be it from Bachchan family or any other company or person who made financial transactions with these foreign entities. Now, if there was any foreign transaction, then whether there was any RBI permission or not. If there was no RBI permission, then it becomes, a violation of the FEMA guidelines. Apart from that, most of the companies which were registered and those who were named in Panama paper leaks were allegedly involved in tax evasion. It means that the money from India, which certain people were earning, that money was sent to foreign companies in British Virgin Islands and other tax haven countries just to ensure that they can save some amount of tax. So this becomes very important for the Income Tax Department. So overall, the financial transaction with certain violations, RBI guidelines and tax evasion, these are the allegations which these agencies are probing. And as far as ED is concerned, remember, this is not under Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It is Foreign Exchange Management Act. It means that there are certain foreign transactions which ED wants to investigate, and this is why Aishwarya Rai's question today is going to be very important. She has to prove that those financial transactions were having no violations. There was no illegality involved in it, but we have been given to understand that ED is already in possession with certain documents based on which she will be questioned today.
And her husband, actor Abhishek Bachchan, has already been summoned earlier. Any details? What are you picking up about when Abhishek Bachchan could be summoned again? Would the ED be looking at it? Because this is not just the ED, correct? This is an SIT that includes other departments, including the income tax, the ED, and other officers who will be investigating a larger possible tax haven in which Indian celebrities and one of the top names of the film industry have put their money in.
Yeah, well, as far as Abhishek Bachchan is concerned, we have been given to understand is that since 2017, there have been summons issued to Bachchan families, precisely Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, and now it's Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Recently, Abhishek Bachchan was summoned to appear before the Enforcement Directorate in National Capital. Now, last month, whether he appeared or not, that is still not clear.
But we can confirm now here on India Today that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has made a presence at the Enforcement Directorate office in Delhi. And how does that turn out for her? We'll wait and watch.